So guys, Ovoms UK have just delivered my dream staircase, as you can see, and I'm going to show you how easy it really is to install because I'm going to be doing it myself. They send you a step-by-step guide with all the details and measurements you need, and that's how easy it is. Let's get it on the wall. And that is the stringer on. Now it's time to get the stairs on. The reveal. So excited. Now let's get it on. So now we're fitting the first step. Got my mate with me to help me, just hold it up, then the bolt. And that is how simple this really is. And that is your first stair. On to the next. So that was easy. Any of you guys can do this at home. Make sure you visit Ovoms UK to get your dream staircase.